The Nomad Base Station. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Nomad Base Station. This features wireless charging along with 2 additional ports for wired connections. I'll go over specs, features, and then provide a demonstration. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The base station came in a large box and was packaged nicely. Cords and adapters were separated inside, and there was a simple diagram of the dock. You get the power brick and international adapters. The base station can charge up to 4 devices, 2 wireless and 2 wired. It has 3 wireless charging coils, 10 watts each. USB-C port, 18 watts with power delivery. A USB-A port, 7.5 watts, and an ambient light sensor for the front. International adapters, and can charge Qi-enabled devices. And here is a diagram from the website that shows the internals, and you can see the placements of the wireless charging coils. The base station definitely feels like it's made of quality materials. The body is aluminum with a black anodized finish, and it has a leather top. You can also see the Nomad branding on the top right. The bottom has molded rubber non-slip feet. On the front, you will see 3 LEDs which will give you the status of the charge along with an indicator on which wireless coil it's on, the first, second, or third. On the back, you have additional ports to plug in your devices. You have the USB-C that supports power delivery as mentioned earlier, the USB-A, the power input, and an ambient light sensor that will control the brightness of the front LED, so this will help out at night and won't be so bright. The power brick is a bit larger, but you have to consider the power that this is delivering. Changing the adapter is simple, it's just a matter of pressing the button on the side and then twist to unlock. Again, this can support up to 4 devices at a given time, 2 wireless and 2 on the physical ports on the back. Here I have the AirPods and I place it on the wireless pad. You can see the LED illuminate identifying the wireless coil it's using along with the charge status. You can charge your phone horizontal or vertical depending on your preference. It's very easy to use, and here you can see that I have 2 devices. And here you can see that I have the phone in an outer box case and it works with no issues. The base station comes in at about 6.5 by 4.5 and less than ½ an inch wide. It weighs in at roughly 217 grams. So that's the Nomad Base Station wireless charging dock. This dock is made of premium materials and has a sleek design. It's easy to use and it works well. It offers a variety of charging options, and this will definitely meet the charging needs of your devices. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.